Hello, guys. Hey,
hello, my friends. How you doing?
here we are, Blue Lake Roofing, and yeah, we happen to be out here because somebody called, a homeowner called out here in Weatherford Lake, right?
Weatherford Lake.
And called us to do a kind of a small job. They have a dock, their own dock there, and it's got a little home like or a little hut, little storage shed, and hey, we do big jobs, small jobs.
We do everything.
Yeah.
It's no matter if it's too small or too big, and that's what I tell the customers. We one of the few companies we do anything. Some of these bigger companies don't like to do these kind of small jobs, but we don't care. I mean, we do anything, and customer service is the more important to us.
Absolutely, because we were just looking out at this lake as we were driving up, and we were like, "Wow, look at that!" This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice, and we're just doing our work. But we as we were approaching this area, we saw a deer, one just by himself.
A deer a while ago, now we got a big lake here.
Yeah,
so
we were thinking,
we're in the haven.
Yeah, we're working and praising God and lifting Him up and also like what He has made, and we were just talking about how many fish we could catch. But at the same time, guys, just know that Blue Lake Roofing, we do, we want to bless people, and just let you know that we can do big jobs on a big lake, or if you just if you just have a job and you need an inspection done, we do free inspections. So we just want to reach out to you guys on live on Facebook. All right.
Thank you, guys. Have a great day,
man.
Have
a blessed day. Bye.